Finally out again. With altitude, and apparently I can park overnight. The Kirkstone Pass takes you from Ambleside in the Rothay Valley over to Patterdale in Ullswater Valley. It's the highest pass in the Lake District open to traffic. It's really popular with walkers, and the short but steep walk up to Red Screes apparently offers incredible views. The signpost for the walk can be found at the far end of the car park. They request £3 or above for the car park, and there's a donation box just there. I'd phoned ahead just to check how I go about staying over on the car park, and they said just call in at the pub when you arrive and leave your registration number. They didn't actually ask for my registration number, and it just seemed like anyone could just pull up and stay over. It's really striking the welcome you get at this pub and the friendliness of the staff and other customers. So much so that I felt really comfortable being on my own. This is from someone who would never walk in a pub on her own before. Where's everybody gone? Was it something I said? This is a table me and Bri sat at. Oof. I'll find out how many years ago. Half a hobgoblin. Cheers, Bri. To you. It's my first time in the Lake District since losing Bri, because it was a special place to us, and I've decided now I'm ready to start coming back because the memories feel good. They feel good now. Anyway, I'm up here and I don't know how high we are. I'm very high. And it's trying to snow. Please don't. The road, the windy road that goes right down. I don't know if you can see it on this camera, but that goes right down there is called the Struggle. Because I would imagine cycling it is. I think there's a lay-by down there as well where you can pull in and park overnight. But I'm parking tonight at the pub. I'm going to order some food, and depending on whether there's room I might eat it in the pub or I might just take it back to the van. They're demonstrating why it's called the Struggle. This could be a bad sign, they're starting gritting. Right, so this is my first overnighter of the year, and I've got the bed out, I've got the screen covers on. I can't remember how to work my heater, but that'll come back to me, I'm sure. And I'm going to go into the pub, order some food and bring it out and eat it in the van, because that way I can get all cosy and settle down, because I always have an early night when I'm out in the van, and I always get up early because I don't like missing the early mornings because they're so stunning. So yeah, I believe it's home cooked, simple food, so I don't think I'll be sticking to any diet. See what I come back with. Scampi and chips and peas. Nom 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 nom. Catching up with a bit of YouTube while I eat.
Welcome back to the channel.
So I've just remembered I haven't finished my Tesco shop and it's coming tomorrow, so I'm just doing that right now. And then I'm going to have an early night and turn in and see what tomorrow brings. Not a bad sight to wake up to. Morning. I'm not sure whether... What's that noise? I'm not quite sure whether I slept or slipped into a coma last night. Oh, God, it was such a good sleep. So peaceful up here. Plenty of other vans. About 3 or 4 more vans on the car park overnight. Very quiet throughout. Pitch black, obviously. Yeah, I'd recommend it. The pub meal last night was lovely. It was just like your typical pub grub, really. Nothing fancy, but perfectly nice. You might be able to hear the heater. Sorry about that, but it's toasty warm in here, and the heater worked fine. Everything is up and running as it should be, so it's been good to get the first night camping out of the way so I can get more trips under my belt this year. The views up here at Kirkstone Pass are to die for. They're absolutely stunning, and yesterday was really sunny, so good views. Got the drone up again. So all in all, a cheeky one-nighter, but a successful one, and it's put me in the mood to be getting back home and planning more trips. So yeah, if you get the chance, come up to the Kirkstone Pass Inn. Beautiful walking area as well. Mine was just a last minute afternoon visit, so again, short video, but just showing the area and the car park and the pub. Does my bum look big in this? Good morning.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up 'cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah, I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd.
A bit of breakfast before the off. And then on with the jobs. No so-called pink or blue jobs when you're a solo traveller. They're all purple.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light
great night. Wish I could have stayed for longer. It's looking like another glorious day.
Oh,